Let's do that. So first thing is show IP interface brief. पहले चेक कर लो कि इसके अंदर इंटरफेस क्या क्या है. Is regarding, I'll speak in English here, better to. So what I will do, so first thing is what we should do first configure the IP address for this interface, which is connected for your LAN. Remember, so this is your LAN. This is your LAN. Okay, and this is your WAN. I hope you might know about LAN, WAN, MAN, right? All of you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what I'm going to do first, I'll change the router name. It can be any name depending upon what name you want to give. So I'll go to the interface gigabyte 0/0. So go to the interface IP address. So 192.168.100.1 and give the subnet mask. Okay, I'll give no shut. Okay, done. Exit from here and go to the serial interface now. So first you assign this IP address, then assign IP address for this interface. So serial 0/3/0 IP address. So 10.0.0.1 255.0.0.0. Okay, this is a subnet mask. To give the no shut. Remember, it will down. So remember, I have given one command like I have to give set the clock rate. Okay, clock rate. So if you give the question mark, so this number of clock rate we can use. So by default we use more 64,000. It doesn't require huge number of clock rate because so we are not this one transferring huge amount of data to this interface. So I say 64,000. I say no shit. Done. Show IP interface. So we can use a old command. It will save in your cache memory. So this will be saved in your cache memory. So now what I will do, what I'm going to do, I'll configure the DHCP so that automatically all these guys will get the IP address. This 4 PC. I'll configure in your router. Sorry, IP DHCP pool. I'll create one pool. Say example, my pool. It can be any name. Okay, network 192.168. Okay, 100.0. So give the subnet mask. Okay, default router ID is 192.168.100.1. So this is this router IP address, the default gateway. So we have to authorize your network to get the automatic IP address for this one. Okay, so if you want DNS, this is optional. DNS we can use if you want. This is optional. If you want, we can use. Okay, agree. The IP DHCP exclude also we can give. Exclude means apart from this 100.1, give other IP address to this PC. Don't use the same IP address. Okay, 192.168.100.1. Okay, exclude this IP address. That's it. And then we can save it. So let's check whether these guys will get the IP address. Request DHCP. Yeah, so we are getting the IP address. Desktop. Fine. Okay, so now this is done from my side. For other sides, guys, I want you people to help me to configure the other part of the network. So I'll put it just to make you understand. Okay, I'll take always light colors. This is my Rangoli I'm doing. Okay, this is 3 network we have, 3 different network. Okay, now I'll jump for this one. So go to CLI, say no. So go to global configuration mode, give the host name. This is my R2. Okay. First thing is what we should do, guys. Interface gigabyte 0/0 IP address. So what is IP address I should give here? Anyone?
200.1, sir.
Very good. 192.168.200.1. Okay. Subnet mask 255.255.0. Okay. I say no shut. The next, which interface now? Exit. Once you come in, okay, exit from here and enter into the serial interface now. Serial 0/3/0 means this interface. This interface. Enter. Okay, so IP address 10.0.0.2. Okay, other side is 1. This is 10.0.0.1. This is 10.0.0.2. So I say no issue. So now we can see these all interfaces are off now. Done. So what we should do next?
DSCP network.
Yeah. So IP, DSCP, full. This time I will give HRT. Authorize your network. What is my network? 192.168.200.0. So default router ID number is 200.1. DNS, like if I will go this time, say 4.4.4.4. Okay, do right. That's it. Okay, let's check whether these guys are getting the IP address. So let's check for this guy. Yeah, so we are getting the IP address from DSCP from the router. Okay, I'll ask you one question, guys. For all the guys, okay, let's ask to first girls. How many girls are there here? Can you give the thumbs up? How many girls are there? Okay, one. Only one, two. Only two girls. Okay, three. Okay. Okay. Firdaus, Namera, and Nomi Salma. Okay. So तुम लोगों को very simple question पूछता हूँ. Okay, you just try to answer me. You have the Wi-Fi at home, right? Wi-Fi है नहीं घर में तुम्हारे?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Namera, I think Salma they have the Wi-Fi. Okay. अब तुम्हें
No,
Wi-Fi
sir, I
में
don't have.
Huh?
No, I don't have in my home Wi-Fi.
Okay. Okay, I think all of you are using phones, right? All of you. Internet connection is there. You recharge
Yes, sir.
your every month, all of you, right? I'm talking about the girls now. Okay.
Yes, sir.
अब तुम्हें डाटा कोड तुम्हारा डाटा जो ऑप्शंस रहता है डाटा ऑन एंड ऑफ जो करती है तुम्हें ऑन करने के बाद ओके तुम्हारा इंटरनेट कनेक्ट होता कैसा
How does internet connect?
तुम्हें आईपी एड्रेस देखो ही तुम्हारे फोन में
Don't know, sir.
See, if you go to your Wi-Fi symbol, okay, just hold your finger, okay, it will open your connected one. If you click on the right side, if you see, we can see the IP address. जैसे ही तुम्हारा जियो का सिम है या एयरटेल का सिम है तो ये क्या करता ये आर्प मैसेज रिक्वेस्ट भेजता एड्रेस रेजोल्यूशन प्रोटोकॉल किसे नियरेस्ट टावर जैसे कि समझो तुम्हें कॉलेज में ही यू आर एट होम जो नियर बाय टावर कौन सा होता इट विल सेंड द आर्प रिक्वेस्ट वहां से तुम ना सर्वर्स आपको तुम्हारा DHCP IP एड्रेस देता, सेम प्रोसेस व्हाट वी डिड नाउ, रिमेंबर। वहां से जब तुम्हारे मोबाइल को IP एड्रेस उन्हें देता ऑटोमेटिकली, मोबाइल डाटा ऑन ऑफ जो करती है ना, डाटा सेव करती है, कुछ पीपल हैव सीन। Okay, so what we did now, just we have configured the IP address for this network. Okay, so this is the lab what I'm going to explain. This is the material static routing. Static routing lab 01. Fine. So what I'm going to configure the here routing protocol. See, right now we can see we cannot communicate to any one of the PC now. But inside they can be able to communicate. Say example, inside this blue color in network, they can communicate. See, and these to these, okay, they can communicate. Inside, they can able to communicate. We can see. Let's check this. They can able to communicate. This PC to this PC, yes. This laptop, this laptop. So, for example, this laptop to router, yes. But we cannot able to communicate from this to this. Okay, that is the lab what I'm explaining now. Okay, how we can make them communication. That the reason we require the routing protocol. Okay, so what is the network ID for this? 192.168.100.0 is network ID. Okay, what is the network ID for this?
200.0.
Yes, guys, please remember this. Quite very important to understand, guys. So let's configure this. So how we configure kaisa karna boले to, see, first when you are in R1, okay, if you want to reach to this network, go via this IP. That's it. To reach to this network, go via this IP. When you are R2, if you want to reach to this network, go via this IP. That's it. The configuration. Everything manually you have to tell. So let's configure this. So I go to global configuration mode. So IP route. So 192.168. What I should do? Which network I should reach? Router 1 mein hu main. So which network I should do?
200.0.
100.0.
Yes, very good. 200.0 and give the subnet mask for this and go via which IP address? 10.0.0.
10.0.2.
Very good. Good. Okay, that's it. So, and this show IP route. Okay, we can see yes means static we have configured. It's going via yes means static, going via this IP address. So let's configure for this one. TCP command config. Okay, we don't require that. So yes. The IP route. Okay, now I want to reach to 100 dot network. Okay, we are telling to the router now. Okay, what does this command does means we are telling to the router, if you want to reach to this network, go via this IP address. You want to reach to this network, go via this IP address. Okay, so 192.168, 100.0, 255.255.255.0. Okay, and go via 10.0.0.1. That's it. Okay, write the command show IP route. Okay, so we can see it has been learned this network. So let's check whether I can able to reach to the first network 100.1. Yeah, 100.2. Yeah, 100.2. 100.3. Yes. 100.4. Fine. So how we can check? See here. Previously it was failed. Can you see now? Can you check this PC to this PC now? Success. Can you see now? They can able to reach now. This laptop to this desktop. First time it will fail because of the ARP. It will take time to resolve the issue. Now it can able to reach. I'll show you the manually. Go to command prompt. So I'll ping to 192.168.100.2. Right. So yesterday it was not pinging. So now we can see, now we can able to reach it. Understood, guys, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any questions? Abu Bakr, Tasmia, Muskan, Nawaz Pasha, Yusuf, Zafar, Umar Farooq, Hanif, मोहम्मद अदनान समझ में आ रहा तुम लोगों को लाइक बिकॉज गाइस लेट मी स्टॉप द रिकॉर्डिंग
Yes, sir.